Click on the link below to get price. The global industrial commercial-grade refrigeration dehumidifier is a powerhouse, boasting an impressive capacity to remove up to 200 pints of moisture per day. This unit is designed for high-demand environments, making it ideal for commercial spaces such as warehouses, basements, and large industrial facilities. Its robust construction and advanced features set it apart from standard residential dehumidifiers, ensuring it can handle significant humidity levels efficiently. The first thing to note is its solid build quality. The exterior is constructed from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of commercial use. This gives users confidence that the unit will last through demanding conditions. The design is functional, with a user-friendly control panel that offers straightforward operation. It comes equipped with an adjustable humidistat, allowing users to set their desired humidity levels and let the unit do the rest. One of the standout features is its refrigerant-based dehumidification technology. This method is not only effective but also energy efficient, making it a smart choice for businesses looking to manage operational costs. The dehumidifier operates quietly, which is a significant advantage in workplaces where noise levels need to be kept to a minimum. Maintenance is simple, thanks to the removable and washable air filter. Regular cleaning ensures optimal performance and prolongs the lifespan of the unit. The continuous drainage option is another highlight. It allows for hassle-free operation without the need for frequent emptying of the water tank. With its powerful performance, reliability, and effective moisture removal capabilities, the global industrial commercial-grade refrigeration dehumidifier is an excellent investment for any business struggling with excess humidity. Whether you're looking to protect inventory or maintain a comfortable environment, this dehumidifier delivers on all fronts. Overall, it's a robust solution worth considering for anyone in need of commercial-grade humidity control.